We'll talk about Sachin Tendulkar's dream of holding the World Cup. Sachin Tendulkar, one of the greatest cricketers in the history, had a lifelong dream of winning the Cricket World Cup for India. From a very young age, he would visualize himself lifting the trophy, playing crucial matches, and making his country proud. This strong belief fueled his dedication and relentless hard work. For six World Cups from 1992 to 2007, he gave his best, but victory remained out of reach. However, he never lost faith. He kept visualizing, training, and believing that one day his dream would become reality. Finally, in 2011, after 22 years of playing international cricket, India won the World Cup, fulfilling his childhood dream. When asked about that moment, Sachin said, "It was like a dream I had seen for so many years, finally coming true. I had imagined this so many times in my head." His journey proves that when you hold on to a vision, work towards it with dedication, and believe in it with all your heart, the universe finds a way to make it happen. The lesson we learn here is never stop believing in your dreams, even if they take time. Stay focused, keep working, and trust that your vision will turn into reality. Did you know that 70% of people struggle with manifesting their dreams effectively? What if I told you that mastering manifestation could change your life in 2025? In this video, you will learn how to practice manifestation like a pro, tapping into the energy of 2025 to attract your desires effortlessly. Welcome to the channel Elevate with Shachi Seth. Hi, I am Shachi Seth, writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and your dear friend. Sir Neville Goddard, famous writer and teacher, in his book The Law and Its Promise, explains the concept of manifestation. He states that whatever you assume to be true, whether positive or negative, will manifest into reality. According to him, the key to manifestation is not just thinking about your desire, but fully embodying the feeling of already having it. Feel that you already have your desires fulfilled. He emphasized that your imagination creates reality, and if you persist in assuming a specific outcome, the world will eventually conform to that assumption. For example, if you want success, instead of hoping for it, you must assume that you are already successful, feel it deeply, and act accordingly. This shifts your energy and attracts experiences that match your assumption. Many individuals get stuck in the manifestation process because they're trying to force their desires into reality without understanding the fundamental principles of universe. They are like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly, hoping to stumble upon their goals by chance. The truth is, manifestation is a subtle yet powerful art that requires a deep understanding of the law of attraction and the importance of mindset. Most people struggle to manifest their goals because they're focusing on the wrong things, using ineffective techniques that only lead to frustration and disappointment. This lack of understanding leads to a buildup of resistance, making it even harder to achieve their desires. Imagine if you are trying to bake a cake without a recipe, using random ingredients, and expecting it to turn out perfectly. It's the same with manifestation. You need a clear understanding of the principles and techniques that govern this powerful process. Unfortunately, this lack of understanding is what holds most people back from achieving their goals and living the life that they truly desire. By learning the correct principles and techniques, you will be able to manifest your desires effortlessly without struggling or feeling frustrated. Let us understand how manifestation works. Manifestation is the process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions in the reality you want to create, what you want to be. It is about believing so strongly in your dreams that your universe begins to reflect them back to you. Everything around us, including your thoughts and emotions, carries energy. When you focus on positive thoughts and maintain high energy, you naturally attract similar experiences into your life. Have you ever noticed that when you wake up in a good mood, your entire day seems to flow smoothly? But when you start your day with frustration, more problems seem to appear. This is how energy works. So, by intentionally shifting your focus towards what you want instead of what you lack, you can shape your reality. Here is a step by step guide to manifest your desires. 1. Get clear on what you want. The first step to manifestation is clarity. You need to be very specific about what you truly desire. Many people struggle with manifestation because they have vague goals. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, define what success means to you. Is it financial freedom, or a thriving business, or a fulfilling job? Once you have a clear vision, write it down in the present tense as if it has already happened. For example, instead of saying, I want to be wealthy, write, I am financially free and living a comfortable life. This helps your mind register it as an existing reality, making it easier to believe and work towards it. 2. Visualize your desires daily. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living the life you desire. If your goal is to buy a new house, picture yourself walking through it. Feel the texture of the walls and relaxing in your favorite corner. If you dream of running a successful business, visualize yourself managing a thriving company, interacting with happy customers, and seeing money flow into your account. The key to effective visualization is feeling the emotions that come with it: happiness, excitement, and gratitude. When you feel as if your dream is already real, you send out signals to the universe, making it easier for desires to manifest. 3. Use gratitude to speed up manifestation. Gratitude is like a magnet that attracts more good things into your life. When you feel grateful, you shift your energy from a state of wanting to a state of having. Many people stay stuck in the cycle of longing because they focus on what they don't have. Instead, start appreciating what you already have while also being grateful for what you're manifesting. Every morning, write down at least 5 things that you're grateful for. For example, I'm grateful for my supportive family, I'm grateful for my good health, for the financial abundance flowing into my life. You can also express gratitude in advance, saying, I'm grateful for my dream job that is on its way to me. The more you practice gratitude, the more the universe responds with blessings. 4. Reprogram your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind plays a huge role in manifestation. If deep inside you believe that success is difficult or that you are not worthy of love, no matter how much you visualize, you will struggle to manifest. The good news is that you can reprogram your subconscious mind by consistently feeding it with positive thoughts. Meditation is an excellent way to remove doubts and limiting beliefs. Spending just 10 minutes, only 10 minutes in a day in meditation helps calm negative thought patterns and allow new empowering beliefs to take root. Affirmations are another powerful tool. Repeating statements like I'm financially free, attract love effortlessly, or I'm worthy of success daily can shift your mindset. Over time, your subconscious mind starts believing these statements and your external reality begins to match them. 5. Act as if you already have what you desire. One of the key principles of manifestation is acting as if your desire is already a reality. This does not mean spending money recklessly before you're wealthy or pretending to be something you're not. It simply means embodying the mindset, energy, and habits of the person who already has what you want. If you want to be wealthy, start thinking like a wealthy person. Manage your finances wisely. Learn about investments and make confident decisions. If you want to attract love, start treating yourself with the same love and respect you expect from your partner. Small actions that align with your dream help build momentum and attract the right opportunities. 6. Let go and trust the universe. A common mistake that people make in manifesting is obsessing over how and when their desire will manifest. When you constantly check for results, doubts creep in and you unintentionally push your desire away. Imagine planting a seed in the soil. If you keep digging it up every day to see if it's growing, it will never bloom. Similarly, once you set your intention and take aligned actions, Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Let go of the need to control every detail and believe that things are unfolding at the perfect time. When you release resistance and surrender to the process, your manifestations come to you effortlessly. 7. Take inspired action. Manifestation is not just about thinking, you must also take actions. The universe provides opportunities, but it is up to you to act on them. If you're manifesting a dream job, start applying for positions, upgrade your skills, and network with the right people. If you want financial abundance, look for ways to create multiple income streams or improve your financial knowledge. The key is to follow your intuitions and take actions that feel right. Sometimes an unexpected opportunity may arise. Trust it and move forward. Manifestations works best when you meet the universe halfway by taking inspired action. Manifestation is not magic. It is combination of mindset, energy and action. The process requires patience, belief and consistency. The universe is always responding to your energy. So choose to focus on abundance, joy and success. Start today. Believe in yourself and watch your dreams unfold into reality. When you learn to tap into the energy of universe, you'll realize the manifestation is not about getting what you want. It's about becoming the person you need to be in order to attract your desires into your life. This shift in perspective is what makes all the difference in your manifestation journey, allowing you to achieve your goals and live the life you truly desire. By learning to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, you will be able to create a powerful energetic shift that will attract your desires into your life. Manifestation is not a one time event, it is a process that requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and grow. To wrap up, remember that manifestation is not about wishing for something. It is about taking inspired actions and maintaining a positive mindset. By learning the correct principles and techniques of manifestation, you will be able to tap into the energy of the universe and attract your desires effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up icon. Subscribe to my channel to check out my other videos on personal development and share your manifestation experiences in the comment box below. Also remember the bell icons for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. God bless.